We're gonna learn how to make a fortune teller. So first, you wanna fold it like that. You wanna cut the little rectangle piece off right here. It should look like this now. See? Fold it hot dog style. Unfold it and then fold it hot dog style the other way. Hammer or whatever it's called. Then you want to fold these down like this. It should look like this. The same thing that you did on this side, It should look like this on both sides. I'm gonna fold it in half, and then you have your fortune teller. You can write whatever you want on the inside and on the outside. The inside.